This is Dave McCain with the Right Tree Genealogy doing my 100th video. 2-year anniversary. I didn't think I was going to be doing it this long. I didn't have an idea that everybody would, as many people would like my videos. And this is my 100th video. I've done a few other videos that are in private mode for individuals, but for the most part, all my public videos, this is the 100th one, and thank you to my subscribers and everyone that watches these videos. Not everybody's a subscriber to the channel, and that's okay. If you learn something, that's the point of this channel. Now, in the past, this channel has covered family search, family tree DNA, MyHeritage, Ancestry. Going forward, this channel is going to focus on family tree DNA and primarily Big Y. The reason that is I've noticed on the algorithms and what you guys want to see is Y DNA topics, and particularly Big Y or topics related to Y DNA. Now, I do have another channel, and I'll link it down in the description. Someone gives me a topic that I see that'd be good that's not related to Y DNA, I'll put it on that other channel, and that's what will go forward. I look at topic boards. I do a lot of my videos based on what you post on different forums, and when I see a need, I try to express it in a way that we can all learn together. So thank you, and let's continue learning together.